You want to know all about the communication with Studydrive? Let's get started! You have 3 different possibilities to get help and support if needed. First of all, there's the Course Expert group. If you have any questions regarding the Course Expert program, including tips for uploads or how to gain more downloads, don't hesitate to ask the other course experts for advice. At the same time, this is a place where you stay up to date when it comes to challenges or news. On the other hand, if you have a personal matter, technical problem, or anything in general that concerns you individually, just get in touch with us via WhatsApp or email. This is the channel you also use in order to request a flyer package for the Gold Plus status, or a letter of recommendation if you have been active for at least 3 months. Last but not least, you can report problems to info@studydrive.net. Use this channel if you found a course which exists twice or want to suggest a new group, for example. We're looking forward to hearing from you.